Assalamu alaikum, this is Ahsaan Yaseen. So today we are going to use idle Python program. Okay, so we will use this software to write our Python code. So this is the compiler, this is the software. Okay, we can say interpreter. So yeah, so this is the Python shell. Okay, it is a Python shell. How we know this? So we will read here. Can you see top left side idle shell 3.1.40? This is the variant of this. Today we are going to make a new command. Today here you cannot write. I won't suggest my students to write here because this window, this Python shell is for only for the output of the program or display of anything. Okay, so to write your own code, what you will do, you will click on file, new file. So you see this is the new window. Here you can write your own Python code. Okay, so for instance I start from the hashtag is used for the comment of anything. Okay, for instance I writing the program. For instance I can write my own name, ahsaan yaseen, and comma program. Okay, which program is this? How, for instance, we can write here how to take input from user. You can write from user. Okay, so first of all, so this is the first line, this is the red line, starting from the hashtag. So when you put the hashtag, it automatically the rest of the line, the rest of row will be the red. Okay, so comment will not execute in the program, it's just an information. Okay, for the easiness of your code. So first of all, after that we are going to make a program how to take input from your user. So what we will do, I will take a variable name num1. So num1 is a variable equals to, I will use data type integer to take all the input from the user should be in whole numbers. Okay, again I will put I will write here input. Okay, so input is the keyword. This input will take input from the user. So after that we will write a message for the user. User will see this message and he will input the number. For instance, we write here enter first number here. Okay, this is the customized message in double quotes. Okay, after that I will put two closing commands, two closing brackets, like because two opening brackets. Okay, and that's why we are putting here, we are writing here two closing brackets. So what is going on in this command? Okay, user will read this command and he'll put this any number, any command. So this is happened due to this input number. After the number will come from the user. Okay, he will go to the integer, and integer is the data type. Int stands for integer, so it means the whole number. Okay, so after that integer will convert all the data into the integer and save it into the num1 variable. Okay, in the same way we are going to take another variable, take another input from the user. I will take another variable name num2. Okay, after that again here we can also use another data type name float. Float is used for the decimal numbers. We are taking the input from the user, but in float means decimal numbers. Okay, I will show you here. So I will write here enter second number here equals to, I'm putting in equals to just to make the program more user friendly or attractive. So we take two inputs. Okay, one whole number, one decimal number. Okay, both are the numbers. Okay, so after that I will take another variable sum, and after that I will save I will put here num1, this num1 here plus num 2. Okay, so if I change the multiply, it will multiply. If I change it to the division sign, it will be division after that in the end. Okay, so the answer is a num1 plus num2. After the answer will save into this sum variable. Okay, so last but not the least, the most famous command, most using command means sum. Okay, so the sum, I will put this sum into this print to display my answer. Okay, so then the program is done, written. Now I'm going to execute it. To execute it, to run this program, what I will do, I come here, run, and I will click on this run module, or you can use F5 shortkey. Okay, I will click on it. He will ask you, if you are making your program first time, he will ask you to save your program with your name or name. It can be any name. Okay, for instance, I write here ahsaan yaseen program, how to take input from user. For instance, this is, you can put your name or anything else according to the demand. Save, and after that you see my answer display came here in Python shell. Okay, so he's asking for the first number. I put here 25. Okay, I will press enter. Now he's asking enter the second number here. I put here again 24. Okay, so when I will press enter, the answer is 49.0. You see 0.0, 49.0, it's mean decimal. Okay, so this is how we use this command. If you practice this, okay, keep practice this, you will inshallah you will learn it. So here is the most important concept here. If you want to write here, for instance, you put here multiplication, so the program will become multiplication program. Okay, I will run this command again. Okay, he said first number is 5, second number 2. So now we change the symbol in multiplication. Okay, so now 5 to the 10. So I will press enter. The answer is 10. Right? Okay, got it. So if you, all right, for instance, you change the symbol here, it's the division sign here in Python. The program is changing to the division program. I press OK on it. So he's again asking for the number. I put here 100. So into second number is the 5. So 100 will be divided into 5. So the answer is 20. Okay. So again, the last answer is what is left, subtraction, for instance, minus. So what I will do, run here again. Now he's asking for the number, first number, and mine 3. So the answer is 7. Okay, so I hope you understand the things. Keep practice, inshallah. You will prove it, you will learn it. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.